So I'm gonna start doing my makeup because I'm going in for work a little late than the usual, and it's out of town actually, and Oxnard, California, where my people from Oxnard are, actually either Oxnard or Ventura. So I'm going in with Tarte concealer in the shade medium. I don't wear foundation, so what I do to cover my red scars is take the leftover from the concealer and just dab it. So let's get a nose job by drawing the lines from the eyebrows inwards, getting skinnier. And cutting it off short right here. I'm also grabbing from the same shadow. I'm going like this, drawing a straight line. I was just thinking the other day of how freaking lucky and fortunate we are, and I'm looking at myself and I look horrible. I was watching videos. I don't know, I've been getting a lot into the personal development stuff, and it's really helping. I've always been into it, but it's getting more and more deeper, and I see it in a different kind of. When I started, it was like a religious kind of thing, like God wants good for you and stuff. And of course I still believe in that, but like 100% still believe in that. But I don't know, Jim Rohn, he's my go-to person when I'm feeling overwhelmed, because he's like literally the boss of bosses. Nowadays we have every single thing in the tip of our fingers. Here it is, Anastasia. She was hiding from us. She's a shy girl. But we're so freaking lucky to be living in the moment that we're living now, because we have everything. Like, we have access to every single thing you can possibly imagine. Back in the day, we would have to go into the stores personally to get what we want. Now it's just everything order online. People shop a lot online. Millennials are known for shopping online, and we're ending businesses. There's a lot of things millennials are freaking doing, but I think a lot of people hate us, but I think that we're freaking geniuses, because I don't know, it's just a lot of more younger people are becoming entrepreneurs, where back then that wasn't really heard of. It was, but not like as common as it is now. Now you can just hear lectures online. You don't even have to go personally. It's always great to be there and feel the vibes and the environment and everything, but I'm so grateful for Jim Rohn tapes. Like, as he talks, he's like, you are here for a reason. You paid for this seminar because you want to see changes in your life. And I was like, I didn't pay for this seminar, but like, oh my god, are you freaking kidding me? People paid to go see that. Not that I wouldn't go pay and see Jim Rohn, but like, if he was still alive, of course I would pay whatever I had to pay to go see him. But because he's literally a person I can relate to so much. He's a farm boy who comes from Idaho. I'm from a family background of people who are farmers. Small little town, and he started at the age of 25 to like, he got deep into the personal development at the age of 25. I'm 25 and I want to do this. So what I do is I'm actually a court interpreter, which is pretty damn cool. I interpret for people who speak a native language, which is my native language, called Mixteco. Comes from Oaxaca, Mexico. I'm taking sable. Oh God, I'm not gonna say it. And that's when I do interpreting for those people. So I basically get the message across. And I want to say I really enjoy doing my job. Ew, I look so full of I don't know, there's just so much I appreciate and I'm grateful for. Like, see, I can cry. It also gives me advantages because I can travel, for example. But I want to start doing that once I become a registered interpreter. Right now I'm provisionally qualified, which means the demand for my native language is kind of high. So judge approves me. I'm approved by a judge to interpret. But '2020 goal is to pass that exam. I can so feel it already. Like, I already have that certificate. Like, yes, bitch. The Kiss Lashes Jubilee. I just hope I don't end up looking like a clown because this is court work, not stripping. How am I just discovering this song from Rihanna and Nicki Minaj called Raining Men? Ladies, don't worry, because there's plenty more men, okay? Preach it, baby girl. So I'm going to do my hair off camera. I'm going to come back looking like voila. Hair is done. Hair is due. I just teased the front like a motherfucker. And voila. I like to overdraw right here because it looks like, it looks pokey cute. And I'm going in with Sunset from Infallible Loreal.